Does a good night's sleep sound good to you? So many of us are stressed out and tired. It can be a vicious circle that steals happiness and energy and drains the color from our life. The solution to more energy and positive emotions could be right here. Zinzino Viva. Viva combines Affron, a patented extract of saffron, with key nutrients for mental well-being, including 5 B vitamins, iodine, and a pinch of vitamin C. These ingredients help support the normal functioning of the nervous system, healthy psychological function, concentration, learning, memory, and reasoning. And it can help restore alertness when feeling drowsy or fatigued. Once you have left stress, low mood, and tiredness behind, most people sleep better. They relax and have more energy. As far back as the 11th century, saffron was recognized as a powerful intervention for mood disorders. Today, Affron has 3 clinical trials proving its effectiveness in lifting mood, lowering anxiety, and alleviating stress. It is grown in Spain, produced in Norway, and consumed by happy people all over the world. With Viva, you can look forward to a better quality of sleep. You will be relaxed and feel an inner peace. For stress, anxiety, or fatigue, try Viva. It's nature's own solution, and it may just change your world. Sleep well, relax, and be happy.